In this video, I will show you how to add frame in video on CapCut. After you open the CapCut, now go ahead and import your video. I will import my video. Here is it now. So I will reduce the size of the video. I will use this clip. So after you import the video, go to sticker. Under the sticker, now go to label in the sticker and import this one. You import this focus label. So I'll just increase the size of the video. So to fit the sticker. So now I'll take my video to be above the sticker. So now the sticker is under my video like this. So all you have to do now, I'll select the video and go to the scale and reduce the scale of the video like this. I'll take it to this size. I'll take my sticker and take it back like this. So all you have to do now, go ahead now and turn off this option. After you turn off this option, now you can be able now to resize the width and the height of the sticker. Now select the sticker and then go to this increase the height. I'll just use this one. So now I increase the width of the sticker. I can be able now to see the edge from this side and this side. So from then I can be able now to go ahead now and position the video to be at the middle of the sticker like this. So now I can be able to see the side, this one and this one. So now I'll just select the sticker again and go to height of the sticker and increase the height. So I'll increase the height like this. So now I will select my video and take the video to be at the middle of this sticker like this. So now here is the video. So now the video has become in the middle of the sticker. I'll just go ahead and select the sticker again and reduce the height to fit like this. I'll reduce the width again. So you can use this number to reduce the width. You can use the number to reduce the height as well. So now I will leave it like this. So as you can see now this sticker has become a frame to my video. Now I'll select both of them and create compound clip. Right click, create compound clip. So as you can see now here is the sticker. I add the sticker to my video. So now I'll select this one and go to the scale. So here is now the video. I can be able now to resize it like this. So now if I play my video, now the video will play it with the sticker or with the frame that I added to it. And that's it. If this video helps out, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.